Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome to my studio. In this video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for making one of my patterns. Let's get started. This is the Blake Easy Crochet Motif Sampler Afghan. This is an easy Afghan project that is also portable. Make each square individually and then join them all together at the end. The 6 motif squares work up very quickly. Have fun mixing and matching the colors of your choice. You will need number 5 bulky weight yarn. I used Be So Easy yarn in colors cream, lavender, teal, raisin, goldenrod, cornflower, and putty. And you will also need a size L11 or 8mm crochet hook. This is a 7-part video series. There will be 1 video each for the 6 different motif designs, and then the 7th video will be how we assemble them together. You can find all 7 videos together in a playlist that is linked in the video description, along with links for the pattern and Be So Easy yarn. To begin Motif B, we're going to tie our yarn to our crochet hook. You can use a square knot, a slip knot, it does not matter. And it starts with a chain 4. You want to slip stitch to the 4th chain from your hook to join in a ring. Round 1 begins with chain 8, which counts as a double crochet chain 5. Then we're going to work double crochet chain 5 7 times in the ring. Double crochet is yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 5. Okay, so we'll do that 6 more times and then I'll show you how to join round 1. Okay, now we're going to slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the beginning chain 8, which counts as the double crochet portion of it. And this is what your work should look like at the end of round 1. You should have 8 chain 5 spaces. Round 2 begins with slip stitching into the first chain 5 space, chain 4. We're going to work a 3 treble cluster in the same space. 3 treble cluster is yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We'll do that 2 more times. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in the same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And 1 more time. We now have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on your hook. That is a 3 treble cluster, along with the chain 4 counts as our beginning 4 treble cluster. Our repeat now is chain 7. And working a 4 treble cluster in the next chain 5 space. That's yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we'll do that 3 more times. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops on your hook, and that is a 4 treble cluster. You want to repeat this all the way around. At the end of the last repeat, chain 7, and slip stitch to the top of the first cluster stitch at the beginning of the round to join. At the end of round 2, you should have 8 chain 7 spaces. Round 3 begins with slip stitching into our first chain 7 space, chain 1, and single crochet in the same space. Chain 5. In the next chain 7 space, we're going to work double crochet, chain 5, treble crochet, chain 5, treble crochet, chain 5, double crochet, and then chain 5 and single crochet in the next chain 5 space. So let me set this down and show you what we did. We started with a single crochet in 1 chain 5 space, and it was chain 5 double, chain 5 treble, chain 5 treble, chain 5 double, all in the next chain 7 space, then chain 5 and single crochet in the next chain 7 space. And you want to repeat this all the way around. At the end of the last repeat, you want to slip stitch to the top of the first single crochet at the beginning of the round to join. And this is what your work should look like at the end of round 3. You should have 20 chain 5 spaces. Round 4 starts with slip stitching into the first chain 5 space. And in that space, we're going to work single crochet, 5 double crochets, and single crochet. And you want to repeat this in every chain 5 space around it. Single crochet, 5 doubles, and single crochet in each chain 5 space around. At the end of the last repeat, you want to slip stitch to the first single crochet at the beginning of the round to join. And this is what your work should look like at the end of round 4. You should have 20 of those double crochet shells. Slip stitch into each of the first 3 double crochets of that first shell. You want to make sure that you're positioned into the 3rd or center double crochet of the 5, chain 1 and single crochet in the same double crochet, chain 5, then we'll skip the next 2 doubles, skip the next single, skip the next 2 doubles, and in the next double work single crochet, chain 5, skip the next 2 double crochets, skip the next single, skip the next 2 doubles, and then work single crochet, chain 5, and single crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 5, skip the next 2 doubles, the single and the next 2 doubles, and single crochet in the next double crochet, chain 5. Basically, we're wanting to work in the center double crochet of each of those 5 double crochet sections. Chain 5, single crochet in the next center double crochet of the next shell, chain 5, single crochet in the next center double crochet of the next shell, chain 5, and then in the next center we'll work single crochet, chain 5, and single crochet. So our repeat for this round is chain 5, single crochet in the center double crochet of the next shell 4 times, and then chain 5, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet in the next center double crochet of the next shell. And you want to repeat this all the way around. After the last single crochet, chain 5, single crochet corner, we're going to repeat chain 5 and single crochet in the next center double crochet of the next shell. You're going to repeat that 2 more times. And then chain 5 and slip stitch to the first single crochet at the beginning of the round to join. At the end of round 5, you should have 24 chain 5 spaces. Round 6 begins with a slip stitch into the first chain 5 space, chain 1, 5 single crochets in that same chain 5 space, then 5 single crochets in the next chain 5 space, then in the chain 5 corner we're going to work single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet. Then in each of the next 5 chain 5 spaces we'll work 5 single crochets, After the last single crochet, chain 3 single crochet corner, you still want to work 5 single crochets into each of the last 3 chain 5 spaces. At the end of the round, you want to slip stitch to the first single crochet at the beginning of the round to join and fasten off. And this is what motif B should look like at the end of round 6. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. Everything we talked about in this video is also linked in the video description. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.